Hi everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education and Investment. Today there is a good news about the Polkadot Name System. So just like Ethereum, they have a ENS. Now on the Polkadot, we also have the name system, and so that means you can have a very short name like dot, and then that can be used to represent your wallet address. Anyhow, like I think this is a very interesting and good opportunity. So I'm going to show you some more details, and also I will demo how you can get your own PNS. And so first of all, the launch 26, I think just a few hours ago. And the early bird price is 50% off. So it's a 15 USD for each of the domain. And the names for the domain would be, I think it would be 10 digits. So they start with more than 10 digits. And once you have more Twitter follower, you are going to have they are going to unlock the shorter name. And so this PNS, you have to use Gleamer to buy them, and so you need to have the Gleamer under your MetaMask. And so if you don't have Gleamer, you can get it from like I think a gate.io or this kind of a website. You can get the Gleamer, and in the future they probably can support some other tokens. And so what we can do is you can do the Web3 profile, registration, or adding the wallet address and some other textual information, management of subdomains. As I did before, so I just want to explore different kinds of DeFi in Web3, and I would like to show you. And so the way like how you can do them, how you can add MetaMask, they have a tutorial. I'm going to post a link as well. Right now you can only do the 10-digit domain. But as they said, like if the Twitter follower, if it reaches 6,000, I think right now it's around 4,000, they're going to open 9-digit domain. However, like there is a NFT, so the PNS NFT. I don't know whether it's going to worth some money or something, but you know, like it's a first 7 day, and probably good to get that NFT. And anyhow, I would like to get one and show you how that looks like. And so you are going to find the domain. So go to this link. First you need to connect to your MetaMask. So I'm going to connect to my MetaMask. So my MetaMask, I have a Neatbit Gleamer, so I think I should be able to buy that. And so you can search any domain you want. And so some of the domain I think is preoccupied, like Parallel Finance. You cannot find it, like Centrifuge. You cannot find it because they are already reserved. So you need to find a good domain name. Since I'm doing this channel Web3 Education and Investment, so let's try a Web3 Education. Hopefully nobody got that yet. Because this one we also have a number in the name, so it's not that popular. So however, like I think it's good for me at least. Okay, so I will it looks like that's available, so I'm going to click that. So it says like you can do it $15. So this is a registration for 1 year. You can increase that. You can get 2 year. 2 years will be $20. So I'm going to register maybe 2 years. Let's just get one done. Okay. And so I'm going to click register, and it will request. It's going to cost me like 6 Gleamer. That's around 25, I think. How about the gas fee? Okay, gas fee is not too bad actually. not like Ethereum. So so it's good. It's still on the Polkadot. So we will just register that, and then I will have this Web3 education dot okay, dot okay, and then like I'm going to explore how I can use that in the future. Looks like it's working. It will take a little bit more time. So okay, transaction complete. So I think I should have that. Okay, yeah. So I have that now. So you can see the this the dot and the expiration date and some more detail. Okay, so you can set up your so now you can set up your address now. So dot KSM, Ethereum, Bitcoin, okay, and you can set up the content. Also, you can get some text, okay, so I can put my email, Twitter or something. Yeah, okay, that's great. So yeah, so Twitter, so the very recent news, right? Elon Musk looks like they are going to get the Twitter. So so maybe Twitter would be a place we're going to hear more news about the Web3, not Web3, maybe crypto or maybe Dogecoin. I don't know, but that's something very interesting. So anyhow, those are the new opportunity or something I explored and would like to share what I did. So hopefully all of you enjoy that. So this is Web3 Education Investment. Thanks for watching. Bye.